Hey sup, I'm back again. I think we need to talk. This is a very important video that I decided to make. I think my camera is not okay. What's going on? My name is Ali. Today we're gonna be traveling to a machinery factory. Let's go. I just made my way to the airport right now, and I just got my boarding pass right there. Let me get on the flight. Alright, we just checked in. She got like 45 minutes to board the flight. Machinery factory to Shijiazhuang. Stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. And I think we need to talk before I'm having a little cake here. My son had this cake, so he didn't finish it. Alright. Okay. We are visiting the factory today, tomorrow, and probably on Wednesday. A factory that do produce machines used for productions, like anything. Someone out there might be interested, and hit me up. You can hit me up. We got like 3 different factories to visit. I'm not quite sure how many we're gonna visit today, but first thing first, let's get to the city, Shijiazhuang. From there we see what they got. Alright, stay tuned.
Hello.
We are encountering turbulence. For your safety, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt. Lavatories will not be used. For safety, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt. Lavatories will not be used.
One of the best airlines now in China. Very comfortable, very affordable. China United.
Lavatories will not be used. For your safety, please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt.
manufacturing.
Yeah. I think China have a lot.
A lot, but I know some if it customer small quantity, not big, right?
Yeah.
I know the trading company they especially supply this wire rod, the export.
Yeah.
The export. You can check with the price.
Uh-huh.
Check all the price,
Yes.
and so you can decide which country to buy.
Yeah.
For this is a big steel factory. They don't export or dealing with the customer directly.
They don't deal with customers.
They don't deal with customer. We buy this through agents.
Oh.
Only agents. Or you are huge, large quantity.
Yeah.
Maybe it's okay. Mostly they just deal with agents.
Yeah.
Same for us. This we buy from
The agent.
not
Which
from
means the
factory.
agent go take a lot and then distribute to.
Yeah, different small factories
Yeah.
or customers.
Okay. Can I see the inside or it's in another bag?
The inside, I think you can check. Yeah, I think have another bag.
Yeah.
They want the solid type silicon.
1 ton silicon can be.
3 tons. Can produce 3 tons. Some customer buy this solid type. Some customer buy the liquid type. Convenient for customer because when the silicon arrive, they can mix it.
Yeah. Oh, they just can mix.
directly.
Yeah.
This one you need to with the hot water to heat it,
Yeah.
melt it into liquid,
Yeah.
then use. So yeah, it depends. Mostly customer.
But what's the price?
require
What's the price
silicon.
difference?
Price? Check later. For you.
Okay.
Yeah, check later.
All
Then
right.
mostly customer buy liquid.
This one can get 1 ton. How many hours?
This one is for one minute. 200 pieces.
200 pieces. Yeah. 200 pieces.
1 minute. 1%. 1 minute. 1 minute.
This one.
Yeah.
1 minute.
200 pieces.
Then the big one.
800. 800 pieces.
By the time this rod get to the final cutting stage, it's really small.
Yeah. You can go up to 2.5 mm.
Okay, you draw to 2.5.
6.5
Yeah.
to 2.5. 6.5 mm.
Then what about 3.2? Also.
3.5 mm.
Yeah. Okay. let's go to the coating section. Your brands, you say?
Export only. International, our own brand in the local China market is Elephant.
Oh.
Called Elephant.
Elephant.
Elephant. 大象。
大象。
大象牌呀。
Wow. But the name is nice in Chinese. 大象. 大象. But when you translate to English, it doesn't make sense. One ton.
One pallet.
Yes, I saw this. I like the design, you know. The design is nice. The cartoon design.
Yeah, customer like it. Quality also good.
Yes.
We we are the only electrode factory export the electrode to Japan, USA, and Turkey.
Yeah.
Turkey is super high quality, especially Japan.
Yeah. Everything boils down to the flux.
Flux.
Get the good
Also
one.
the wire. The wire, but mostly the flux. For us, flux wire, mostly flux.
Yeah, because I do some research.
Yeah.
The flux look, you have different colors and I guess quality.
Different color and the formula.
Yeah.
The formula is different, and also the raw material.
Yeah.
We choose the the good quality raw material
Yeah.
and how much proportion we put inside
Yeah.
to mix the flux.
Yeah. How many ton is it? 500 should be.
500 kg flux. 10 minutes wet dry mixing.
Yeah.
10 minutes wet mixing. Then finish. Wet mixing means you put silicone inside.
Yeah.
Then mix
Mix.
another 10 minutes. Finish. Then you can use for production. This is on the ground.
Yes.
There are more than 10 different items of the. This is a big bowl. If you can see from that.
Yeah.
You put different items, the raw material inside.
Yes.
And they were Siemens PLC. They will set up the formula and the proportion
Yes.
and the weight, everything.
Yeah.
Then
Oh my God.
so beautiful, super light.
What is this?
This, you see this one, this bowl.
Yes.
This bowl is supposed on the ground.
Yes.
My friend on the ground, then in the middle of this big bowls.
Yeah.
After it's mixing by the right formula,
Yeah.
then you come up and to the mixer, mix again. This is the automatic flux mixing line, high capacity. Like
Okay,
that.
so you guys mix.
All by ourselves. So we produce electrodes, use this flux, and
Yeah.
we export, use this flux, all made by this machine.
Yeah.
Super. This has to be large capacity because
Yes.
customer buying every month,
Yeah,
every
yeah,
month like
yeah.
that. It's like this. This
Somebody can go down.
yeah, if you
Look at
want-
this.
Yeah.
No, we don't need to go down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
So here you open and put the.
Put the material inside.
Yes.
Super huge bowl is on the ground.
Yes.
This one cover is on the ground is a big bowl.
Yeah.
Very huge. You can see how big.
you have different quality of flux? Flux, you have the different qualities or what?
Different quality of flux.
Can you show me?
Popular is very important.
Yeah. Do you have a ready-made already? Outside. Wow, this is huge.
Inside the wooden case is carbon wire. Some customers they don't buy the wire drawing and cutting machine. They buy the cutting
Everything is drawn and cut already.
Yeah, they buy this ready pieces, cutting pieces from us. So we can export this for sure, no problem. This is for export.
And the oven.
From the coating to the packing.
Yeah.
The end. I'll show you this house.
Okay.
Silicon, it looks like water.
Exactly,
No
yeah.
harm, no dangers, no poison. You can touch by hand, no problem. This is another oven. It's a box type oven.
Which one is this?
Box type oven.
Yeah.
The one in our location is like this. A smaller one. This is a big one.
Okay. Okay.
So the wet one.
Okay, wet flux.
Wet one.
Just this one? Don't need. Yeah. Okay. Also, no waste, right? Yeah. Can take it back and reuse. This is the automatic drawing machine. Yeah.
Recycle, no waste.
Ah.
No waste.
How to recycle? Because it's already coated.
Korean, there's a machine. It's a flash. Want to see?
Yeah.
It's called retrieving machine.
Oh.
Put that one inside here and
Yeah.
remove the flaps.
Then what about the rod?
Remove the flaps.
Yeah.
And then the flaps on the ground, there's a bucket.
Like those.
You can put inside mixer. You mix
Mixer
it in.
then.
And the wire you can put back on the filling machine.
Oh. The wire will not go inside?
No inside, only the flaps. This one, also this one. This one also for recycle.
This one is for...
Also recycle. So
Yeah.
the very dry, very after oven.
Yeah.
After oven, the flaps already become very solid, right, on the wire.
Yeah.
So you use this machine, you can remove the flaps.
Oh.
You can remove the flaps. Also, if the wire becomes winding, not straight,
Yeah.
this machine can make it straight
Straight.
again.
Oh.
That one is for
But how can he test?
Check, first we check appearance. Second, by this machine,
Yeah.
check the static. Static, check whether the wire in the middle of the glass.
Yeah.
This machine is to check whether the wire in the middle of the glass.
Yeah.
Yeah, so check first is there, and second is
I mean the package.
I can buy from the packing factory.
Oh.
Oh, packing factory. Fine.
This machine is for what? Oh.
In treating the plastic bag or the small
Okay.
one.
From here. Control the quantity I come to.
Yeah.
Is it accurate?
By weight and pieces.
Oh.
140
One box, 140. This is the printing machine. So almost two production line, right?
And that one is for coal.
Huh?
That oven is used by coal.
A coal. People around like north, they still use coal.
Now, not now.
Yeah.
Now, 100% no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because in
Now
winter,
that this is-
yeah, in winter it's very cold, so people use
in the
coal.
village now is natural gas.
Our next destination is the machine factory, right? All right, our next destination now is heading to the machine factories where these machines, the production machines you all saw, we're heading to where they have brand new and to see the different types, the different sizes, and of course their prices. So we're gonna be heading there in a couple of minutes and see how it looks like. Do we walk there? Okay. All right. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. All right. Sure.
Any or something, you will not need to leave it there.
Let me see.
Yeah, if you have notebook or any material you want to take.
I always like to save time. That's why I make a video once I get back
So
home.
No need.
Yeah, almost no need. Yeah, when I get back, I can do my notes from the video. Yeah. Yeah.
Other country they just unload with worker.
Yes.
So 25 kg each time one worker carries one bag.
Yes.
So it depends on customers
I understand what you mean.
unload condition. That's
Yes.
okay. Any bag,
Yeah.
any bag customer want, no problem.
Okay.
So that's no problem. Yeah.
What about the silicon? The silicon, how?
Silicon usually by
What's the minimum quantity?
For the material? 1 ton.
1 ton is fine.
It's fine, yeah, 1 ton, but 1 ton needs to have the pallet, so the cost is higher. Pallet, with pallet, because you need to share with other roofs, right? With the,
Yeah.
there's no photo. I checked with my, you were right, we should put everything on YouTube, maybe in the future.
Yeah.
So it's more easy, right?
It's more easy. Easy to check.
Just like this, we are every time. This was better. Sorry, this is silicon. Mostly drums. Yeah. Mostly customer want liquid type, so it's like this.
The metal drums and the plastic drums, what's the price difference?
No difference.
No difference.
Same. Depends on customer what they need. Usually, customer need this one. No problem.
Yes, because most customers, of course, they will always like to.
Read by hand,
Yes.
right? And the plugs into the coating, and this is the coating, this is the wire, right? We are feeding here. So if customer right, they want to say cost beginning, they no need the automatic feeding
Yeah.
machine. Just one worker straight here to add the plugs inside like this.
This one is cheaper.
No, this one is more expensive.
So we go.
Yeah, let's go. Great.
The machine factory.
Picture, old one. So I show you
Okay. This is where they produce all the machines.
all the machines. Yeah. This is feeding machine body, coating machine body,
Yeah.
and mixer, like just different machine structure.
The mixer.
Gears, all kind of gears on the machine.
Yes.
This is the carting machine.
Yeah.
The carting, the normal one, not the hydraulic type. The normal one, carting machine. First is the joint.
The manual cutting.
Yeah, we're the cutting machine, the parts on the carting machine. The parts on the carting machine.
Yeah.
This part makes the gear, all kind of gears.
Yes.
It's on the oven.
Oh, this one of the oven.
On the oven. Gears on the oven.
Do you have the finish machine?
Okay.
Oven, pepper grating machine.
Yeah. This is a small oven or the big one?
Automatic.
Oh, the automatic.
Oven.
These are all the oven machines. All oven.
This is a cutting machine.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, cutting machine.
The one you showed me, is it the same?
Huh?
The
Same.
one, it's the same, yeah? This one looks more beautiful. But not finished, right?
Not finished.
How many ton does it weigh?
Ton.
Is it up to a ton?
Yeah, more than 1 ton. Yeah, 1 ton. Depends on.
Yeah. Okay. All right, this is the cutter.
Huh?
This is the cutter.
这边校直，这边切子，
Here, cut here.
这边校直是菌，
这里转。
Or straighten.
Okay, straightening here.
这边切
Then
断。
cut here.
The cut here.
Cut here.
The cutter, you need to change the cutter all the time.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
This is a mixture, another type.
Okay. Yeah, you showed me this one.
Another one in our electric factory. This is the one in your quotation is this one.
This one?
Another one.
But you said this one cannot discharge.
Huh? No. This one not discharge.
Yeah, this one cannot discharge by itself. Which means this one is not suitable.
This one cheaper.
But it's not the best. It's not the best. It's not the best.
That one, our factory is the back. That one is the padlock. I guess you have this photo.
Yeah, I saw this one. The other one, how much is it?
9,000 something. 9,000.
You mix and then you time it by yourself.
Yeah, that's cutting by yourself.
Once the mixing is done, you stop the machine,
So, yeah.
open it,
Yeah.
and then you remove it.
Move it, yeah.
My God. Anyway, see. This one should weigh like 2 tons or more.
Like a crab, right?
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Finished machine.
Okay. Let's check the finished product. Yes.
Anytime you want.
Because before I bought a machine. It's a block machine, compressed brick machine.
Oh, brick.
Yes.
Brick.
It took more than 1 month to supply because the government stopped all the production, stopped all factories.
Ah,
Yeah.
same for us. Sometime before the 1st October, they stop factories. This is the oven.
Okay.
Box type oven. This is finished one. This
Which
for
one?
Painting and finished one.
Yeah. But this is not the type.
This is your type, box type oven.
This is my type. It looks.
The smaller one. 40 yeah. Same of
4 cm.
2 tons. That's all.
2 tons. This is the door, right? How to get it out?
Huh?
Once it dry.
They have a trailer. You put the electrodes on the trailer, put inside. After it drawing and cooling down, then you take out the trailer by manual, by workers.
Workers go inside.
After it cooling down.
How long does it take to cool?
4 hours. 1 circle, 4 hours. From heating to cooling down, total circle, 4 hours.
I got it.
2 tons, 4 hours.
Oh, 2 tons, just 2 tons.
Just 2 tons.
Okay.
That's why I said 1 day, 4 tons. The
Yes.
total capacity.
Yeah.
Because you work two
shifts.
shifts. 1 shift is 4 hours.
Yeah.
From heating up to cooling down.
Yeah.
4 hours. This is one circle.
Do you have another one?
Huh?
Do you have 4 tons?
Yeah, we have a bigger one.
Because if you have 4 tons, it means we can do 8 hours. We can do 8 tons per day.
Yes, we have a bigger one. Feeding machine.
This one is the
Feeding machine. This is your mixer. Finished one.
this is the finished mixer. 2 ton.
For your capacity, yeah.
2 ton, yeah.
No, 4 tons.
Each mix.
Each mix 150 kg flax. minutes.
20-minute mixing. Means
Where is parking?
yeah. You said this is still cutting, right?
No, that's straighting.
Straighting.
The brown is cutting. This is straighting.
Seal my type. See the.
This is all finished machine.
Yeah.
The feeding machine, you see, just you saw the finished one.
Yeah.
And that one not finished. That in the corner, that one is coating machine, finished one. Everything finished, ready to deliver.
Yeah.
This one is a coating machine. You can take the video here. Machine hand and add the flax.
Yeah, the
There's a
flax
hole,
put
like
somewhere
flax.
here.
Yeah. This all finished. This is painting.
Yes.
Painting and packing and delivery. This
Yeah.
cost for this. That's the cleaning machine for the cycle.
Yes.
This is a head tail grading machine. Remember, grading
Yes,
the
yes,
two,
yes,
two
yes.
brushing
Yeah.
two ends.
Yeah. This machine.
Yeah, this machine.
Is there any other machine that can replace this one? Because I think that's the only use.
This is necessary machine. You mean replace this machine?
Yeah, because it's like the use of this machine is only to grade the head of
Grade
it.
hair also to sort it out
Okay.
because it's going to the oven, so
Yes.
they sort it out. Grading the two ends and sort it out. 这个有代替的时候，这个还是
这个吗？这个必须的，
需要 necessary。
Okay.
因为那我在这都是玩下半有
这个就是带15千瓦，15千瓦，
多少
15千瓦，
15,000。
对，
15 kW. The motor
Yeah.
power.
Yeah, I think it's big.
This is bigger. Bigger.
This is the type, the
This is the type for this machine.
this belt. Is it frequently replaced?
No, this is a belt, not friction control.
No. I mean the belt. Is it like every now and then you need to change the belt because
这个
it's
能换吗？
经常换吗？
这个不需要，这个不需要经常换，不需要。这个是这种，
哦，
对，这个大概用半年左右需要换一次。
半年。
Half year, right?
Okay. Let me ask, because it's really big, and then my worry is transportation, offloading, loading.
还不是太大了。那个发货240尺，
240尺，240尺。
240 以下。
这个一个 just this one alone. What's the weight? 多重？
这一套，一套大概是5吨左右。
5 ton.
说它一个集装箱大概也就10吨左右吧。
十几吨，对，
One container is around
13
yes
吨。
13 tons.
So it's
Not heavy.
站体这个体积比较大。
Weight, like you said, size is bigger, but not much weight
Yeah.
compared with the Electrode. Electrode is too much weight, but the size is smaller.
Okay, this one. Recycling machine. Okay. My worry is this one. This is 4 tons.
Oven is the biggest.
My God.
Alright, this is where we end our visit in Shenlu factory. This is where they produce all the different machines that you all saw, the production machine for welding rod, and that was it. So we're gonna go do some analysis and see if different types of machine, the price and everything, it's okay. Then, you know, we move from there. But we still got another factory to visit, and I guess probably tomorrow. It's around 6 o'clock, almost 6 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna schedule next visit tomorrow. Catch you guys later. Okay, I just got to a hotel right now, and tomorrow I still have another factory to visit. They just have a lot to offer. Stella helped me a lot today, and she also helped me to get a good hotel, really cheap. And I look forward, like, you know, we can work with her. So it just depends on what the factory we meet tomorrow, what they offer, and from there we can move forward. Stay tuned.
Maybe it's a little.
Spicy?
It's okay?
Wow.
A little.
But this is too much for 2 of us.
It's okay.
You think we can finish this?
I can. They told me because my friend eat very delicious.
Yeah.
So I take you to here.